A beacon of hope. Introducing Ash Mufareh. Ash Mufareh is a man on a mission. He is a visionary leader. Ash saw a need for change in the digital world. He wanted to empower people. Ash founded Onpassive. Onpassive is a company built on innovation and integrity. It is a company that puts people first. Ash leads with passion and purpose. His vision is clear: to create a better future for everyone. Ash inspires us to dream big. He shows us that anything is possible. He is a true leader for the digital age. Ash Mufareh is changing the world one step at a time. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. Revolutionizing the digital landscape. Onpassive's mission. Onpassive is more than just a company. It is a movement. It is a force for good in the digital world. Onpassive's mission is simple: to empower people through technology. The company offers cutting-edge tools and resources. These tools are designed to help people succeed online. Onpassive provides a platform for growth and opportunity. It is built on the principles of fairness and transparency. Onpassive is committed to creating a level playing field. Everyone has the chance to thrive in the digital economy. Onpassive is paving the way for a brighter future. It is a future where everyone has the opportunity to succeed. Triumphs and transformations. Onpassive's milestones. Onpassive has achieved remarkable milestones. The company has grown at an unprecedented rate. This is a testament to the power of Ash's vision. Onpassive has attracted millions of members worldwide. These members believe in the power of the platform. They have experienced the transformative impact of Onpassive's tools. The company has launched a suite of innovative products. These products will revolutionize the way people do business online. Onpassive's success is a testament to its commitment to excellence. The company continues to push the boundaries of what's possible in the digital world. Onpassive is creating a legacy of success. It is a legacy that will inspire generations to come. Section 4. A leader's heartbeat. Ash Mufareh's impact. Ash Mufareh's leadership has touched countless lives. He inspires his team to reach for the stars. Ash empowers his community to achieve their dreams. He leads with empathy and compassion. Ash truly cares about the well-being of others. His leadership is a beacon of light in the business world. Ash teaches us the importance of integrity and hard work. He shows us that success is not just about profits. It is about making a positive difference in the world. Ash Mufareh's impact extends far beyond the boardroom. He is a role model for aspiring entrepreneurs. Ash is an inspiration to us all. Section 5. The power of belief. Testimonials from the Onpassive community. The Onpassive community is a testament to Ash's vision. Members from all walks of life share their stories of success. They talk about how Onpassive has changed their lives. These testimonials are a powerful reminder of the impact Onpassive is having. People will achieve financial freedom. They have found a supportive community. Onpassive has empowered individuals to take control of their future. The community is filled with stories of hope and inspiration. These stories are a testament to the power of belief. They show us what is possible when we come together. Onpassive is creating a movement of empowerment and success. It is a movement that will change the world. Section 6. Towards a brighter tomorrow. The future of Onpassive. The future of Onpassive is bright. The company is poised for even greater success. Onpassive's commitment to innovation is unwavering. Ash Mufareh's vision continues to guide the way. The company is constantly evolving. It is developing new tools and resources to meet the changing needs of its community. Onpassive is committed to creating a better tomorrow for everyone. The company is building a legacy of innovation and empowerment. This legacy will last for generations to come. Onpassive is not just shaping the future of digital marketing. It is shaping the future of how we live and work. Onpassive is creating a world where anything is possible. For more information about Ash Mufareh and Onpassive, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.